Hi friends, how are you? Today I'm going to tell a very happy news to you all. Yes, we are going to buy a online lottery for free. Yes, we all know in Dubai there are lot of online tickets available for lotteries, but now we are going to buy a online lottery ticket without spending one penny. Yes, in this video I'm going to show you a step by step procedure how to win a lottery without paying any money. For that we need to enter the Facebook and type Maghzoos. Once it reached the right page, just enter the Maghzoos page and click the like button and start to follow the Maghzoos website. Once you started to follow the Maghzoos website, you will be receiving a lot of informations each second. Yes, now scroll down, you can find all kind of details like about us, all the pages regarding the maghzoos.ae. So scroll down, you can find still more posts and informations shared by maghzoos.ae regarding the tickets and the draw dates. Now you can see, just click the events button and here you can find the date of weekly live draw. It is an online event. So if you go back to the another page, groups, and again go to the home page where you can find the main information from maghzoos.ae. So as I told already, I already clicked the like button, so I am following this page. So now let me show you the next step, how to receive the free tickets to play this Maghzoos online lottery. So just scroll down, you can see how to play. The procedure is explained very well by the Maghzoos. Step by step they have given you all the necessary details. So by this way you can get the tickets online wherever in the world you are living. So just scroll down, in Arabic also the procedure has been given. Just scroll down. These are the winners, 3 winners who have shared dirhams 1 million in the latest draw done by Maghzoos. So this is the way how it works. Now you can see there is a post, fan of the week. Yes, Maghzoos will run an event, fan of the week. If you are a lucky winner, just you need to give your best comment, so you will be chosen as the fan of the week. This is one kind of way to receive the free lottery ticket from Maghzoos, and you can play and you can win more than 50,000 million dirhams every week. I will show you the next step, how to receive the free ticket from maghzoos.ae. Here you can see here favorite comments of the week. Yes, this is another kind of way to win the ticket. If you give your comment, they will choose you, they will give you a best gift as a free credits, where with that credits you can purchase the tickets. This is second way to win the free tickets. Now next I will show you the third way, how to receive the free credits. With the credits, how to purchase the Maghzoos free online ticket. Here you can see there is a puzzle with the missing letters. You have to fill the missing word. By this way you can win the free credits. Just you need to follow the procedure how they are has been mentioned in by the maghzoos.ae. Just you need to scroll down, click the comment button. Here are the rules and regulations. A lot of people already commented, no problem, you just believe yourself, pray the God, you go on, sure you will win. Just you need to write the missing word. In this, here you need to tag 3 of your friends and just type hashtag my Maghzoos. Yes, first step, just you need to write the missing word. You have to tag 3 of your friends, then just type hashtag my Maghzoos and follow this page plus like this post. So now I started to write my answer. Join me. In front of you I will post my answer. Let me see if I am a lucky winner. I will win the draw. But take note please, only one time you can able to answer and win this lucky draw. If you win one time, the next time you are not eligible. So let me show you what are all the procedures Maxus need. We have to follow the page, comment with the missing word, and we have to tag 3 of our friends, like the post, use hashtag myMaxus. And these are the way we have to give our comment, and just click the button send. If you are a lucky winner of this week, you will get credit points. With that credit points you can purchase the online free tickets. As we all know, Maxus will work out by choosing a random numbers, 6 random numbers. So if you choose the right 6 random numbers, you will be the first winner. If you choose the 5 out of 6, you will be the second. If you choose 4 out of 6, the third winner. By this way the winners are selected. And now I have, most probably I have done my commenting session. So please friends, follow the Maxus.ai page, share as much as possible, tag your friends. By the way, your friends also eligible to win the credits from Maxus.ai. Friends, I have done my commenting session. I already commented my answer and posted in the Maxus.ai. Hope you like the video. Thank you. Friends, in my next video I will show you how to purchase the tickets from Maxus.ai by the credit card or debit card. Thank you so much. Friends, please share and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Bye bye.